Welcome to the overview of the completion of the Modernized Postgraduate Training Verification. Postgraduate Training Verification is a part of the new Modernized Postgraduate Training process that allows participants to verify standing with the previously approved deferment. Please note, if you are currently in the postgraduate training previously approved by the program, you will be receiving Postgraduate Training Verification to confirm standing with the training program. Eligible participants will receive the training verification link via the BHW participant portal on the date specified in the application and program guidance and the postgraduate training information bulletin. As a scholar participant, you will now complete your training verification through your BHW participant portal. You will receive an email alert to your email on file when it is time for you to fill out the training verification. Once you receive this email, please navigate to your portal and your activities homepage where you will complete the request. You may navigate to the training verification from two locations within the portal. Click on the In-Training Verification hyperlink in the Activity Type column of Activities table, or click View All Activities and the Verifications tab at the top of the page. You will then be taken to the Modernized My Activities page where you will see all the postgraduate training activity requests. You will be able to see the open activities requiring your action, as well as your closed activities. To complete the training verification, click on the Postgraduate Training hyperlink, and you will be taken to the Overview page. You will see a high-level overview of your participant details, training verification status, the date training verification has been sent to your participant portal for completion, as well as the submission date, if available. Note that this field will be populated once this request is submitted to the BHW. Please review the overview information provided on this page. Once you're ready to move forward, please click the Continue button, and you will be taken to the Verification Information section of the request. The Verification Information page allows you to edit personal details, review, and provide updates on the existing deferment. You are required to respond to the questions on this page to verify compliance or incompliance with the active deferment. To edit your personal information, click Edit button in Personal Details section to apply any necessary changes to the displayed fields. Please note that you will be routed to the portal. In Approved Training Program Details section, you can review training program details provided previously in the postgraduate training request and edit the end date of the training program, if needed. For the compliance questions and verification information section, click on the radio buttons Yes or No to respond. If you select No, select Reason dropdown with a comment box will appear. Select a reason value from the drop-down and enter a comment with pertinent information in the comment box. Please note that all displayed fields in this section are required for completion. After completing all required fields on the verification information page, navigate to the Documents page of the request by clicking the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page. The button will be disabled until all mandatory fields are populated. On the Documents page, you may upload required and supporting documents. Any required documents associated with the verification will be noted as such in this section. Please carefully review the Documents table to ensure your training verification contains all the required documentation. If any required document is missing, program will return your submission for corrections. You may upload a document by either selecting the file or dragging and dropping the file onto the page. Please note that document size and certain file types will not be accepted with the Training Verification Documents section. Then select the document type, enter a comment if needed, and click the Upload button. To cancel a document upload, click the Cancel button. To view an uploaded document, click on the file name from the Documents table. To delete an uploaded document, click the Remove button in the Action column of the Documents table. Once you upload all required and supporting documentation, please proceed to the Review and Submit page by clicking the Continue button at the bottom of the page. The Review and Submit page allows you to review responses provided in the previous sections of the postgraduate training verification. Please carefully review all the information on the page so you may ensure all your answers are correct, as well as any documentation or outstanding details are provided, as needed, to help expedite the processing of your postgraduate training verification. When you are ready to submit the training verification, please select the checkbox in the Electronic Signature section, e-sign with your portal password, and click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Once you have submitted the postgraduate training verification, it will go under review by the program.